Good morning, or wherever you are in your day. This is your daily nervous system reset, a gentle move from survival mode into healing mode. Before we begin, I want to briefly explain something important: the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is a communication highway between your brain and your body. When it's regulated, it tells your system you are safe, you can breathe, you can rest, and you can heal. But when we've lived in stress or constant fight or flight, that system can stay on high alert. That's when we feel anxious, tense, foggy, or unable to fully relax. Today, we're going to gently stimulate and calm the vagus nerve through prayer, stretching, breathing, grounding, and simple awareness. Nothing intense, just safety, just returning. So let's begin. Dear God, thank you for this morning. Thank you for breath in my lungs and another chance to begin again. Before I rush into responsibility, before my mind starts scanning for problems, help me settle. Thank you for the roof over my head, for the people I love, for the strength that has carried me through things I never thought I'd survive. Even when my nervous system feels tired, even when my mind feels busy, I trust that you are steady. Calm my body, slow my thoughts, remind me that I am safe in this moment. Teach me how to move from survival into healing. Help me notice beauty today. Help me respond instead of react. Help me breathe before I speak. Thank you for walking with me. Thank you that I don't have to do this alone. Amen. Drinking water first thing in the morning helps to rehydrate the body, enhances mental alertness, flushes toxins, and supports kidney health. It also can boost metabolism and aid in digestion. Now we're going to gently move the body. The vagus nerve runs down the side of the neck, and when we hold stress, it often lives right here. Let's do a few neck rolls and stretches, but only to the level that you are comfortable with. No forcing. As I come into child's pose, I let my forehead rest. This position alone signals safety to the nervous system. The back of the neck softens, the shoulders drop, the spine lengthens. Add in any other stretches or yoga poses that you enjoy. 3 to 5 minutes of regulated breathing with a slow exhale activates the vagus nerve. Place one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly, and let your belly rise first. Inhale for a count of 4, hold for 2, and exhale even longer for about 6 to 8 count. Repeat this for 6 to 8 cycles. I am safe in this moment. There's something powerful about bare feet on the earth, and while I'm grounding, I like to hum softly. The humming creates a vibration that stimulates the vagus nerve through the vocal cords. It's like calming yourself from the inside. Later in the day, when stress creeps back in, because it will, here's a quick reset. A cool towel on the face or neck activates the vagus nerve instantly. It tells your body, pause, reset, slow down. This is especially helpful when you feel overstimulated, overwhelmed, or reactive. This next exercise that we're going to do is an orienting exercise. What we're going to do is we're going to pick out 5 things that we can see. So I'm looking out a window and I can see the sky. It's blue and it's a clear day. I can see a tree. I can see a fence. I can see the grass. I can see a houseplant on the table in front of me. Now we're going to listen for 3 things that we can hear. I can hear the dryer going in the background. I can hear a bird chirping outside. I can hear an airplane flying by. Now we're going to notice something in this moment that helps us feel safe. So we have a dog. His name is Diesel. He's the sweetest and he helps me feel safe. He's laying on the couch behind me. It's kind of blurry. Hello, Diesel. Oh, he's sleepy. So this exercise tells your brain that there's no threat. Legs up on the wall shifts your body into the parasympathetic rest and repair state. Elevating your legs helps slow the heart rate and reduce stress signals. It supports vagus nerve activation, moving you out of fight or flight and into recovery. I'm using a little magnesium lotion here. Magnesium helps relax muscles, and for many of us, stress lives right here in the neck. The vagus nerve runs just behind the ears and down the side of the neck. So when we gently massage this area, we're not just loosening tight muscles, we're stimulating the nerve that helps the body calm down. The ears are also connected to branches of the vagus nerve. Even light massage here can help signal safety to the brain. Before bed, I take a few minutes to journal, just enough to get the thoughts out of my head and onto paper. Before bed, I like to turn on something calming, soft frequencies, rain, or nature sounds. Slow, steady sounds help activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest state, through the vagus nerve. The gentle rhythm signals safety to the brain, slows heart rate, and encourages deeper breathing. Father, thank you for this day. Calm my body, quiet my mind, and restore me as I sleep. Help me wake up grounded and steady tomorrow. Amen.